Hello, my wonderful viewers. It's your educator again. Okay, what I'm going to do today will concern students who want to sit for the Cambridge International Lower Secondary Checkpoint Exam, Mathematics. What if you're asked to simplify this kind of fraction? It's very easy. I know we're very used to fractions like 7 over 21, 4 over 8, 5 over 10, and all of that, where our numerator is a whole number as it were, denominator is also a whole number as it were, then we reduce to the lowest term. But let me use this opportunity to explain to those of us who might not know what proper fractions are or what a proper fraction is, or those of us who know but have forgotten. So let me remind everyone. A proper fraction is that fraction that has the denominator, this is the denominator, greater than the numerator. So when the numerator is lesser than the denominator, that means the denominator is greater. We call fractions like that proper fractions. And if you're asked to simplify this kind of fraction, it's very easy. To simplify a proper fraction, you reduce to the lowest term. And to reduce to the lowest term, you need to use a common factor. What is a factor? A number that can divide another number exactly without a remainder. That's what we're talking about. So if we're giving a fraction like this, 0.7 over 2.8, and we are asked to simplify, it means we need to reduce to the lowest term. And to reduce to the lowest term, what do we need to do? Use a common factor. But in this case, there is a challenge. The challenge is this is a decimal, this is a decimal. So what do we need to do? It's very simple. Now notice here that for this numerator of 0.7, we have one decimal place. Denominator of 2.8, we also have one decimal place. All we need to do is move this decimal point or decimal notation from this point to this point, a step forward. Whatever we do to the numerator, to be very fair, we also do the same to the denominator. So we're going to move this decimal point from this point to this point. And that would mean what? 0.7 over 28, which is the same thing as saying 7 over 28. So we've gotten 7 over 28. Now we can work with 7 over 28. 7 over 28 to the lowest term. All you need to do is ask yourself, what number can divide 7 and at the same time 28 exactly without a remainder? That's what I mean by looking for a common factor. 7 will go into 7 and 7 will go into 28. 7 will go into 7 once and 7 will go into 28 4 times. So that means 0.7 over 2.8 is a quarter, which is over 4. All right, if we've done this, please take note. This is the answer to my question. We're going to use the same method for this because this question is in the same similitude as this. So here we just need to move this to this point and this to this point so that we now have 3 over 21. 3 over 21 is a proper fraction that can be reduced to the lowest term. I'm going to divide by 3 here, numerator, 3 here, denominator. 3 will go into 3 once and into 21 7 times. So that 0.3 over 2.1, this is a decimal notation, is equal to 1 over 7. If you understand, solve this and leave it in the comment section.